Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room. Today's video, the results are in for our latest Guppy Endler crossbreeding project. So for this cross we took a male Ginga Rubra guppy and a female Blue Star Endler, and here are the F1 results. Overall my opinion on this cross is a bit meh. On the one hand it's nice to see a cross that isn't pink for a change. On the other hand, the offspring aren't as nice as either of the parent strains. To me, they resemble a non-blonde version of the Ginga Rubra guppy, with very few of the Blue Star Endler traits coming through. They kind of resemble a wild guppy strain, I guess. What we should have done, and we'll start doing in the future, just to make it more interesting, is to do the same crosses but with the opposite sexes. So for example, in this cross we took a male Ginga Rubra guppy and a female Blue Star Endler. So now we will go and cross a male Blue Star Endler with a female Ginga Rubra guppy and compare the results. In general though, these are probably the nicest results from a guppy crossbreeding project we have tested so far, but probably not anything we will continue to pursue, although we will continue with them for a while to see what the F2 generation looks like. If you like these sorts of videos, please stay tuned as we have another 2 crosses going on right now in the fish room that are almost ready to show you guys, and a few others a couple of months away. So that's it for this video guys. Let us know what you think of these results and if you're surprised in any way. Thanks for watching as always, and we will see you again in a few days with a big giveaway video.